Okay, so I get it. It's gonna sound like crazy cars that don't know how to drive. Well, that's what I thought it was at first too. Also, I forgot how red, white, and blue Sirius is through magnification. My God, did I ever? Allegedly, what the hell's flashing? Something's flashing majorly behind me or something. Yeah, I highly recommend zoom in on Sirius with like 100 magnification, which Nathan's phone died, so I can't do that, but what I could. I wonder, is there... Stop, mosquito. Fucking shit up for me, man. What else is new? I would like to say that's Mars, but like, where's the Gemini stars? I mean, I don't think they're that close together. Would that even make sense? Because I guess, but because what would be over here? Sure, there's the noises I speak of. Sound like a car, right? Doesn't it? Sounds like a vehicle. It's having some issues. Oh, here's Mars, see? Mars is right above our head. Allegedly.